Today I share with you how to make Nigerian vegetable stew that will enable you to eat white rice. This is just the perfect way to get this done. Let me show you how this is being done. To begin, guys, we are going to be needing goat meat. The same time I'm going to be adding this already washed chicken. So that is chicken and goat meat already washed. Then season with anything season of your choice, but I'm going to be using this all-purpose seasoning. I have Maggi seasoning, no cube, and chicken seasoning. Adding chopped onions, then cover that to turn to wayo. So guys, over here we have pepper mix, that is tomato, hot pepper and onions and red bell pepper. I will go that proceed like this. So after blending everything, this is what I have. It blends so nice and roughly. So what I'm doing now is to proceed with the meat. At this point it has turned to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. I get that stir together. It has just be cooking with its own juice since I did not add in water. So what I do now is to add in this water that will enable that to get cooked. So guys, all you have to do is to share this recipe. Cover that for another 20 minutes to get final cook. 20 minutes later, it cooked so nice at this point and everything was scented so amazing. So this is just the best way to get this done and it's going to be your favorite. Bring everything out from the stock water and then add the stock water and keep it aside. Look at that, it cooks so nice. So what I do now is to add in this oil. So this is the oil I'm going to be using. Then add in the meat inside the oil and let that to get fried. So guys, first of all, you get this fry before you proceed. So I'm going to fry that for 20 to 15 minutes until it fries so nice like this. So 15 minutes later, all I do is to bring that out from the hot oil. Just keep everything back to this bowl and keep it aside. It fries so nice and it's everything. So guys, it looking yummy. So on the same oil, adding this the pepper mix I blend earlier, then adding the Maggi seasoning. That is the same seasoning I use. So add everything and stir together. So use any seasoning of your choice to get your recipe done. Okay guys, so any seasoning thing is okay for you, you can use. So what I use is no cube, chicken seasoning, and then all-purpose seasoning. So I get that stir together and now I'm going to cover the soup to cook for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes of cooking that, this is what I have. At this point, I'm going to add in the meat stock that I bring earlier, then add in the meat that I fry, everything inside the soup like this and stir together. So guys, take note guys, this is just the best way to make your vegetable stew that will enable you to eat rice. Like this is just to eat rice guys and you are going to love it. It's just everything you need in vegetable stew. So what I do now is to add in this vegetable. Use any vegetable of your choice. This one is the vegetable I'm going to be using already sliced. So I'm adding everything back inside this soup. I get that afterwards. I first of all get this stir together before I will add in the remaining batch. Look at that. My people, this stew was sweeting as if like, where are we coming from? It's sweet so amazing. Now I'm going to be adding this last batch like this, then stir everything together. So guys, if you haven't shared this recipe, this is the right time to give it a share. You are going to love this when you try this for your family. They are going to appreciate you for this vegetable stew. Is everything you need. So all I do now is to get that to cook final for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, look at that. At this point, soup done. Like this stew is everything guys. This stew is everything you need. Look at that, everything cooks so nice and it come out so amazing when you use this to enjoy white rice guys. Like you are not going to ask for any other food in the next 3 to 4 hours because it's going to be everything in your mouth. Like it's going to sweet all through the day. It was everything you need right now guys, and you have to share this video and follow this process to get this amazing recipe done. In my next one guys, all you have to do is to share. Bye.